In 2025, Facebook message campaign is very much important for any kind of lead generation website, service oriented website, or e-commerce related website must be. And I found that many people don't know that how to set a proper way to Facebook message campaign, so that's why I make this video, and I hope you can understand the better way. So let's begin. First of all, look at that is my demo page, and our client website there is here. So just go to the add manager options. Okay, and look at that, there is many option here. So I just create a new sorry, I just select my page here, a little bit loaded. Okay, and I just select the create options. So basically Facebook message campaign people use the lead campaign. So there is a lead related website and services related website, you can use the lead, but I have a e-commerce related website, that is my client page. So I have the so I try to sell my product, so that's why I just select the sell options and just create select the create options and just manually. Okay, first of all I just write the name. So I just copy the name here and just paste. Okay, and there is a category, just ignore it. There is action, the sales. Okay, and all kind of things is okay. I don't use the advanced plus button budget, I use the manually. So just if you don't need any kind of things, so just create the next option, and I just write the name here, the ad set. Okay, ad set 1. Okay, so I just select the message options and I change the page here. Okay, I just use the message, so just select the message options here, and I try to conversion, so don't maximize conversion, I try to number of conversion here. So I just select the number of conversion, and the next is I try to my daily budget in $15. So just select that. I don't use any kind of time schedule, and the 24 hours the ad is going now. And I just select the location, that is important. So I just click the UK, United States. United Kingdom, sorry. I just select it. Okay, the whole country, and I just select the see more options. I just change the age group, the 20. Okay, the language the all language, and just sweep the original audience. I just sweep it, and I just select the okay, just all gender. That is not a all gender product, that is just women product. So I just select it. So I just use the jewelry product. So just search here the jewelry. Look at that, the jewelry importance. Okay, and the next one is also important, and the art jewelry, the jewelry designs, the gold jewelry. It's all kind of things are important for my product. So I just select it, not marketer. So if your product related things, you can already apply that, and I interest the basic things about this. I just try. There is no options here. Okay, and just write the wedding. So many kind of people have the wedding related things, and they can buy it, their products. So I just select the wedding. Okay, and I also there our it's not broad, so I just use the broad audience. Okay, so just click the fashion here, the interest space audience, and I can select it, and the fashion designer, the fashion design, the fashion editor, the fashion designers, fashion photographers, fashion neighbors, fashion accessories. Okay, that is my potential yes, that is my potential interest based audience. And I can also use the luxury goods. Okay, so I just search it, the luxury goods, and the luxury goods result. Okay, I can also interested that the high people who prefer the high value people who prepare the high value product or luxury goods Photoshop. That is the important things, and that is the basic things. And I can also use the behaviors. So just use the behaviors here, the shopping behaviors. The first of all is important the purchase, and the also important the personal buyer, the shop now. That is important. That is no here. So I just use the shop now. The people who interest the shop. Online shopper. Okay. So that is our basic targeting. If you need your product related things, I just use the mandatory. I just use the as well as the audience, but you can targeting the details audience. Okay. And we just go the ad category, and I just use the name firstly, write the name and click the add one. Okay, that is our demo page, and I can use the manually. So I can use the single image or video. So I just select it, and I just select the meta purchase here also, and the image category. So I just select the add options, and I select the image. Okay, and I just use the text, the primary text here. So just that is my primary text. I just copy it and paste here. That is my first copy, and I just used some hashtag also here. So just use some hashtag. Okay, and I used another primary text. So just click the primary text, copy it and paste here, and I also use some hashtag. Okay, just paste here. So basically Facebook recommended that you use must be the 5 primary text, headline and description. I just use the 2 description, 2 primary text here, and just click the headline. I just use the headline here. Okay, just use the 1 and just use the 2 number of 2 headline, and just post here. Okay, and I used also the description. Okay, I used another. Okay, so our image is already done, our primary text, headline and description is almost done, and our call to action button is send message is done. I just click the next option and also click the next option. There are my platforms, where is the how to see that my product here, and just see that or optimize. Okay, so basically it's very good, not bad. Okay, just click the done options. You can also use the some frequently asked question here. So I just use the template, and you can use the only text, the image and the video. So I just use the image video. So I just use the image. Basically I just launch the campaign our image, so just use it. Okay, and also the image title. So I just go to the my product here, and I use the image title. So just write the name of image. Okay, and I put down here, and I use the frequently asked question, and I filter my audience. So just use the first question here. Okay, I just use the first question. Okay, and I just write the reply here. Okay, I just write the reply. There is my one question. The another question is does the set come of gift packaging? Okay, just use here the question mark. Okay, and I just use the name, sorry, the answer. I just use the answer also, and just put down here. And the third frequently asked question here, where the return policy of the product. So I just use it. So every audience come to my see the product and come to my message option, they can filter it, this process. So you just need the better result here. Click the send button option and automatically he reply that there is his name and he or she, that's name, that please how can I help you. That's a very good sign for it. And I can also use, and we can also use the some frequently asked question. There are many audience are filtered that. So I just use it. I don't, and I just, and I also use the follow-up message here, and I just save it. And just we just finally publish it. This ad is not published here because my payment method is not enabled in my page. So basically it's my demo page, that's why is that notification here. But I hope you can understand that how to use the save audience and how to create that, and I hope you can understand the better. And if there any question, you just contact me, link in the description. Thank you.